Hello guys, it's your boy Ram again, and today I want to show you a really useful tool that you can use to speed up your computer in general. Now, I don't know if you know this, but Windows, whether you're on Windows 10 or 8 or whatever, 11, Microsoft collects a bunch of information about your computer and runs a bunch of services in the background that essentially you don't really need and can even be annoying at times. So there's this great tool called O&O Shutup. I'll put a link for this in the description. You want to run this tool as administrator, and you have all these toggles that you can use when you start up the program. Now, when you first start this up, it's going to ask you if you want to make a restore point. I do recommend that you make a restore point for your computer before you start. However, I'm a bit of a risk taker sometimes. I didn't take a restore point before I made any of these changes. Sometimes I regret it, but it sure gets everything done a lot quicker. But I do recommend anyways that if you're not very experienced, if you're not an advanced user, that you make a restore point so you can reset your computer later if you have any problems. Now, this tool actually lets you disable a lot of the stuff that Windows collects about you and configures by default to kind of get information out of your computer, to improve the customer experience and whatnot. So this lets you disable all that, which of course will take some load off of your computer, especially if you're running a potato laptop, as it's called, like I used to. I really recommend that you tweak these settings. So let's get into it. As you can see, these are my settings. I basically have everything disabled as much as I can. So you can have a look. You can disable the same things that I have disabled. Let's see. Disable and reset the advertising ID, transmission of typing information. You can read everything that this does and go over it on your own. If you disable this, obviously, if I disabled access to my microphone, I wouldn't even be able to talk to you guys right now. But, all these other things, I don't use them. I don't use Microsoft Edge, so I don't need all the tracking that it has. I don't want all the tracking on Office. I don't use Cortana. Just have a look. And after you're done just toggling these on and off, you see it asks. After you're done toggling them, you can just close the program. And it'll also ask you if you want to restart your computer. So I do suggest that you restart your computer after toggling all these. Yeah, I'd say just have a look. As you can see, I have everything disabled here. The green toggle means this option is turned on, which means that this thing is disabled. I'm not going to disable Windows updates. I'm not going to disable reporting of malware infection information. But yeah, you can click on anything to see the details. Just try this out, disable all the crap that I have disabled, which is honestly almost everything. If you're not sure what it does, then maybe reference my list. And, if anything breaks, you can always restore or go back here and put it back. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I really like this tool. I think it's super useful, disabling all the stuff you don't need. Yeah, hope you liked it. Subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you next time.